you know the value of getting a mentor. However, your relationship with your mentor is going to be failed or already failed. I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to make sure that when your next mentorships with your mentor, the relationship is a massive success. You want that right? Of course you do. Let's get started right now. I'm going to tell you step by step the tools right now so you can get all of it. I'm going to give you a resource in the pinned comment or the description section so you can also take it on, and then you can also apply it right now so your next mentorships and next mentor has a massive success with you so you can thrive forward. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started right now. Alright, so this is called mentorship map. This is the map. It's going to help you to prepare the mentorship, because the mentorship is all about getting it ready before you join to the meeting. It's not about finding the mentor. Finding the mentor is quite easy right now. It depends what you're looking for. It's paid mentorship, honorary mentorship. There's a lot of kind of mentor around too. But the goal is about how you will prepared to work with the mentor. And that's why the first 3 sessions are really critical with the mentor. And that's why preparation for the first session is also one of the goal thing. If you do it right, the whole relationship dynamics, you're going to unlock the whole new thing for you. How to do that, right? And that's why I'm going to show you right now by using this mentorship map. I'm going to get you ready for it. So how to do that one? So I'm going to help you right now step by step. So let's pay attention. So the first column is about who you are. Define who you are. Let's say example, you are a project manager, right there. So top 5 things basically describe about you. Project manager, let's say example, based in Singapore. Let's say example, 10 years of experience. Or if it's no experience, put down no experience too as well. And then let's say example, you do IT projects, and who you are, and also let's say example, you are 33 years old. Well, I suggest you to do this is good, but the goal is about try to find out what are the 5 best things described about you. What's the 5 exactly the thing can describe about you? So I mean, this is why this is not the best thing. That's why the age doesn't matter. Like an example, who you are. Let's say example, you can talk about you're an introvert, right? You can put on an introvert. IT projects, 10+ years of experience, based in Singapore, project manager. So now, think about your next column is about what is your goal. The goal should be specifically from each of the who you are, because it's so much easy for you when you can excel yourself, which is already you are doing okay or good. But the things you are not really okay or even not good, it's really hard to set up a goal on that, because it's basically the line is very simple and straightforward. The goal is to excel and build on your strength, not excel and try to build on your weakness. That is one of the worst things somebody can do, and I have heard it so many times from a lot of mentors talking about this one, about overcome your weakness. I think that is not the goal. The goal is about making the best out of what I'm really good at it, so I can really harvest and crush the goal and make a lot of impact. And that's what you need to do. So now, project manager, right? So what's your goal? Like an example, you want to be a program manager. Okay, based in Singapore. Actually, this is pretty who you are. It's actually pretty bad. Like based in Singapore, it's not really important. Let's say example, you wanted to a new job. Example, who you are looking for a new job. I think that's the one, right? What's the goal? Get a program manager position. Example, 10-year experience, right? So now, let's say example, what is the goal could be related to that one? So like example is about, I want to get appreciated for my career and contribution. Example, ID projects. So now you want to talk about probably what is the ID project, like AI projects, like an example you want to take on right now. So just put it on the introvert. Like an example, you want to build a network, build a professional network. So now, why this is a goal matter? It's about program. Why do you want the program manager position? Write it down. The second thing is about get a program manager positions, right? Why do you think that you are qualified to be a program manager? Write it down. And then appreciated. So why do you want to be getting appreciated for your career? What is a remarkable thing you have done? Write it down. AI project. Why AI projects? Why this is something excites you, or what is the opportunity you see in AI project? Write it down. And why you do want to have a network. what is the value, what are you looking for in getting your network to? Write it down as well too. What is your obstacle? That is the game changer right now, because this is where the mentor can really help you and giving you a lot of input and direction so you can overcome that one, so you can overcome the obstacles, so you can get to your goals. That is the game changer, right? That's why you are getting the mentor. Otherwise, there's no point getting a mentor, right? Because that's exactly what I do. Every time I get a mentor, I get my mentorship map ready and I work with them. And I have done so many work with my mentors, and it's so incredible journey for me. And I really value mentorships too. And I want to make sure that your next mentorship call doesn't fail and it becomes successful too. So the next one is about looking for a new job, right? So what's the obstacle about it? Let's say introvert, right? So like an example, I don't know how to present myself, example. Write it down. So those are all the obstacles, write it down, and then as soon get all the obstacles, and then it will really get you ready right now too. And that will really be a game changer for you. So now you can work specifically on the different session of the mentors and get a right direction and solutions, overcome the obstacle. And as soon as you obstacle the obstacle, bingo, you get to your goals already, because you have removed the obstacle, and then you can drive forward and win. So I do mentorships for different levels, manager level, director level, C-suite level executives, or executive level too. So if you want to get a little more mentor, check out the pinned comment on the research section. There's a link about it. Submit your request. My team will definitely take a look. And then if you see it's a good match, we'll have a conversation. And if you get my conversation with me, this is how you're going to well prepare too. Other side, if you want to be a mentor for other, because we have a bunch of team members and also have a lot of people who want to become a mentee. If you want to practice your mentorship craft and want to get mentees too, there's also a link in the pinned comment and also in the resource section. Click the link right now, click your details, put your details into that one. My team will going to take a look and get back to you about mentorships or even coaching and training as well too. So that's the game into it. And now I made a detailed video about more about career developments too. So check out this video right now, and I will see you there. Next week we have some exciting plans.